Hello guys, welcome to our channel GK Vidya. So today we are going to do quiz on Mahatma Gandhi. So let's start. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on A. October 2, 1896 Ahmedabad, B. October 3, 1856 Rajkot, C. October 2nd, 1869 Porbandar, D. October 10, 1880 Champaran. So the correct answer is October 2nd, 1869 Porbandar. What was Gandhiji's age when he got married to Kasturba Bai? A. 13 years, B. 19 years, C. 15 years, D. 12 years. So the correct answer is 13 years. Gandhiji's age was 13 and Kasturba Bai's age was 14. Which of the following newspapers are not published by Mahatma Gandhi? A. Navjeevan, B. Harijan, C. Vande Mataram, D. Young India. So the correct answer is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram newspaper is not published by Mahatma Gandhi. Navjeevan, Harijan and Young India are published by Mahatma Gandhi. Newspapers published by Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi? A. Sri Rajagopalachari, B. Swami Vivekananda, C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, D. None of these. So the correct answer is C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The next one is, at which one of the following places did Mahatma Gandhi first start his satyagraha in India? A. Ahmedabad, B. Bardoli, C. Champaran, D. Kheda. So the correct answer is Champaran. You can easily remember it by C A K. C for Champaran, A for Ahmedabad and C for Kheda. These are the satyagrahas in order from the starting. These three satyagrahas are by Mahatma Gandhi in India: Champaran, Ahmedabad and Kheda. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhiji? A. Annie Besant, B. Mridula Sarabhai, C. Muthu Lakshmi, D. Sarojini Naidu. The correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhiji. Seventh one. Who is the author of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye? A. Purandar Das, C. Shyamal Bhatt, C. Narsi Mehta, D. Sant Gyaneshwar. So the correct answer is Narsi Mehta. Narsi Mehta is the author of Gandhiji's favorite bhajan, Vaishnava Janato Tene Kahiye. October 2nd, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is internationally observed as A. Non-Violence Day, B. Vegetarians Day, C. Martyrs Day, D. Communal Harmony Day. The correct answer is Non-Violence Day. October 2nd, the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Non-Violence Day, and the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Martyrs Day in India. Gandhiji's inspiration for civil disobedience movement came from the writings of Henry David Thoreau, David Ricardo, Leo Tolstoy, Bertrand Russell. So the correct answer is Henry David Thoreau. Gandhiji's inspiration for civil disobedience movement came from the writings of Henry David Thoreau. During the non-cooperation movement, which award did Gandhiji return? Knighthood, Rai Bahadur, Kesare Hind, Hind Kesari. So the correct answer is Kesare Hind. Kesare Hind was the award given by the British to Gandhiji, and Gandhiji returned him during the non-cooperation movement. When was Mahatma Gandhi assassinated and by whom? A. 30 January 1948, Nathuram Godse. B. 30 January 1969, Ruskin Bond. C. 2nd October 1948, Nathuram Godse. And D. 15th October 1969 by Lord Mountbatten. The correct answer is 30 January 1948 by Nathuram Godse. The next question is, where is Sabarmati Ashram located? A. Surat. B. Gandhinagar. C. Porbandar. D. Ahmedabad. The correct answer for this question is Ahmedabad. Sabarmati Ashram is located in Ahmedabad. In which year Mahatma Gandhi was named the Man of the Year by Times magazine? A. 1930, B. 1932, C. 1935 and D. 1942. So the correct answer is 1930. Mahatma Gandhi was named the Man of the Year by the Times magazine in 1930. What is the name of the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi? A. My Experiments with Truth. B. Discovery of India. C. Hind Swaraj. D. Toward Freedom. So the correct answer for this question is My Experiments with Truth. Discovery of India is a famous book written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Toward Freedom is the autobiography of Jawaharlal Nehru, and Hind Swaraj is also a book written by Mahatma Gandhi. The next question is, when is the NRI Day celebrated? Option A 10 Jan, option B 9 January, option C 2nd February and option D 12 March. NRI Day means the Non-Resident Indians Day. It is celebrated on 9 January. Who played the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the film Gandhi, released in 1982? Ben Kingsley, Martin Sheen, Roshan Setu, Edward Fox. So the correct answer is Ben Kingsley. Ben Kingsley played the role of Mahatma Gandhi in the film Gandhi, which was released in 1982. Which rule Gandhiji told as the Kala Kanun? A. Salt Rule. B. Hunter Commission. C. Rowlatt Act. D. Communal Award. So the correct answer for this question is Rowlatt Act. Rowlatt Act was known as the Kala Kanun by Gandhiji. Who gave the title the Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. And D. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So the correct answer for this question is Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the title Father of the Nation to Mahatma Gandhi. The first hunger strike by Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was at A. Champaran, B. Ahmedabad, C. Kheda movement and D. None of these. So the correct answer for this question is Ahmedabad. First hunger strike by Mahatma Gandhi was at Ahmedabad. Which movement was not headed by M.K. Gandhi? First one, Quit India Movement 1942, Salt Satyagraha March 1930 to April 1930, Non-Cooperation Movement 1920 to 1922, Swadeshi Movement 1905. So the correct answer for this question is Swadeshi Movement. Swadeshi Movement is not headed by M.K. Gandhi. All these movements are headed by Mahatma Gandhi and are very well-knownly famous movements. Which period was considered as Gandhi era? Option A 1906 to 1915, option B 1915 to 1938, option C 1920 to 1947, and option D 1915 to 1946. So the correct answer for this question is 1920 to 1947. The period between 1920 to 1947 was considered as Gandhian era. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe our channel GK Vidya. And the winner of the last question of the day is Kuldeep Singh.